Well, hey there. I got a couple little pieces of chicken that I need to cook. And I thought while I was doing that I would also take the opportunity to make a little video. I'm out here in our outdoor kitchen, living room, resource area, and I've got to get a fire built pretty quick. There's some kind of little gnat, a little tiny black fly that, along with the no-see-ums, are not responding to the bug dope that I put on this morning. And I'm tired of getting bitten. Maybe the smoke will drive them out of here. Hang around. Let's cook some chicken. That should be more than enough of that good stuff. Sometimes it goes quick and sometimes it takes a few strokes. Even the good old fat lighter. There it is. There it is. Yeah, everybody likes it when it goes off that first strike. But it don't always work that way, people. Sometimes you got to work at it. This just happened to be one of them. Everything's a little damp because of the rain last night. But we should be able to get us a fire going. Maybe smoke some of them bugs out of here. Time to put the chicken on these coals. Now what I've got is 2 leg quarters that I took out of the freezer this morning. Had them thawing in a pan of water. How did I season them? What we've got is some salt and pepper, garlic powder, that last that I put on there, Dale's seasoning. What I've got going on here is, let me get my tongs. My fire is over here. My chicken is on the back side of it. I've got a really nice bed of coals going there, but I don't think there will be enough coals underneath it to really cook that chicken as well as chicken needs to be cooked. So I've got the fire built out here, and as it produces coals, I can work those coals up underneath my chicken. I got an eye full of smoke. So here's a question for you. We're experiencing a little bit of not just a little bit, quite a lot of distress right now because of this COVID-19 thing. And Shirley and I, we're particularly concerned about it because we've got dear friends and family in New York and in New Jersey. And it's distressing to watch the news, but we have to watch the news. We have to stay abreast of what's going on around us. Here, my little cook set. Question I've got that I want to raise is, how many ways do you have to prepare food? How many ways do you have at your access to prepare your food? That's an important question. We're fortunate because we have numerous ways that we can cook. And cook from scratch, mind you. My little cook set here, my son and I, we cobbled this thing together at a shop where he was working years ago, 12, 14 years ago. And it's been cooking ever since. This thing has made a lot of meals for us. We've done a lot of entertaining around this grill. This is where I got shot. Well, a 22 shell that somehow ended up in there, went off, and the brass creased my head. That was an experience. This chicken is almost ready to take off of here. Sure does look good. Folks, I'm going to wrap it up, finish this, take it in, get ready for the Queen and I to dine sumptuously. And we want you to know, from our heart to yours, from our cabin to yours, wherever your cabin is or wherever you live, that we're thinking of you, we're praying for you. And I want to encourage you, be safe, do the right thing, do the avoidance thing, hunker down and protect yourself, protect your loved ones. The least we lose in this situation, the better off we are. Praying for you. Pray for me. Pray for the Queen. We'll see you on the next one.